Oh, this is a video. You don't want a video, do you? I guess you. You dropped the salamander.
Well, looks like a fall from the Empire State Building.
Okay. Okay. Luke found a salamander. Now we're going down the creek bed where Papa and Chris Pickens used to get their water from with this water line that went up into the rocks. And that's where they would get their drinking water from, out of the creek bed. It came out of the rocks, spring water. So we're walking down that creek here in Gurley, Alabama, Sharps Cove. And out here walking with my sister Julie and her daughter Haven and Luke and Haven's friend Ashlyn. And we're going back to the cabin. Uh-oh. Going back to the cabin. The cabin's in the distance. Jeremiah's back at the barn area and helping Chris. They're knocking down a concrete wall. We'll have to get that on video too. Okay, we're almost back, y'all. We're making it back. We're making our way back to you, babe. With a burning
My sister was here.
Huh?
Wouldn't it be nice if our sister was here?
Yes. You mean who?
Gina.
Oh, yes. Okay, here's the cabin. We made it down the mountain. Here comes Haven and her friend, Ashlyn. What do you got to say for yourself?
Hot and sweaty.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, this is the cabin. Go over there in front of the cabin, girls. They're going toward the cabin. Dad and Chris's cabin.
Are they in here?
No.
Where's Jeremiah and them? They went that way.
It's a pretty cabin.
Huh? Hayden. What'd you say? They're at the, where we came in with the truck.
Is this? Here comes Luke. You happy, Luke?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to say anything at the end of the video? Kind of wrap up the video. What do you say about the hike?
It was fun.
This is fun. Was it fun, girls?
Yes.
Okay, y'all ready?